Hello friends, welcome to Trading Income, and in this video I'll be sharing with you sector analysis and stock analysis for the next week. So let's begin. Along with that, I'll be sharing my profit and loss for today, the results of my intraday stocks shared on the Telegram channel, and at the end I have a surprise for you, so stay till the end. So with this, we start the video. I'll be sharing my Telegram channel here. See here, as you can see, this is the message I have put on the Telegram channel at 8 a.m. As you can see here, these are the three stocks which I gave. Okay, and now see the result of this stocks. Three stocks which I had given, and see the result. This stock closed 9.4% up. This Siemens closed 7.6% up, and iBulls closed 3% up. So the three stocks which I gave all performed very well. So this is what I do. This is what I post. This is how I select and post the intraday stocks for the next day. This is just the result. Okay, so if you want such analysis, such stocks every morning, so you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description box. So now I'll be sharing my profit and loss with you. This is my kite terminal, and as you can see here, this is my profit for today. Today is a Friday. 13k is the profit, and these are my positions, and this is how I made it. This is my P&L, and I will be sharing you what was the logic behind this trades. So I will share now the chart of Nifty Futures. This is the Nifty Futures chart of 15 minutes. Okay, Nifty Futures 15-minute chart. As you can see here, this is what I did. This is what I did. I marked the support level. Before the open, I marked this support level. This is the second support. This is the first resistance R1, and this was my second resistance. So this is support 1 S1, and this is support 2 S2. And today the price opened here, which is 17,520. This is the futures chart, not the spot. Okay, so my point was clear that this is my resistance and this is my support. Until the price is between this, I'll be doing my non-directional strategy, which is straddle at around this point. At 10:15 around AM, I sold a straddle at a straddle of 17,450 straddle, short straddle I made at 10:15 AM, because I saw that the price was within the range. I was expecting a sideways movement, and around 11:30 AM, I exited with a profit of 8 points. The profit of 8 points I exited, and before that in the morning session I did some scalps, and when the market started to fall here, I did one more scalp. So that increased, added to my profit. So this is how I made the profit today on Friday. So now moving on to the main part, which is the sector analysis. We will do the sector analysis. I will open Indian indices. So if I arrange this in change percentage, so this is what we get. Metals was the top gainer sector today. We will see the one-day chart. We'll see the daily chart, because we are going to do the sector analysis now, because this is weekend, and you should be, if you're serious about learning trading, then this is the time to do your analysis. This is the time to improve your skills. So as we can see here, the daily time frame of metal sector, it is looking bullish. See here, upward movement. It can face resistance around this level, but till this level it can move up. So metal sector I'm bullish for this week. Moving on to the next sector, which is auto. Okay, we'll move on to auto first. So auto sector also took support around this level, now looking bullish. Energy is still at the support, not so bullish. Banks took support at 36,000 level, and now it is just moving sideways around 37,200. IT sector is sideways. Pharma sector is bearish. Near the support. FMCG is trying to move up. Finance sector, it's also consolidating in between. So auto and metal sector are looking bullish to me, and along with that followed by energy. So these three sector stocks we'll see. First we'll see the metal sector stocks. How are the stocks performing in the metal sector? So these are the important stocks. Jindal Steel is doing well on daily time frame. As we can see here, it is doing great. The chart higher highs is forming. It took a support around 340 levels and now it has reached 395. See the rally here in the last few days. So now what can we expect here? This is the resistance level 4110, 420. This is a big resistance, but it can go till here without much resistance. So we can expect some resistance around this range 410, 420. So this is looking good. Now moving on to the next one, JSW Steel. So this is also looking good. JSW Steel, similar chart, but it can face resistance around 700 levels. So moving on to the next stock, which is NMDC. NMDC is slowly trying to move up, looking good on charts. Green volume candles are being formed. So NMDC looks promising for 155 levels. Steel Authority of India, it's also looking good, but not so bullish. Vedanta is another bullish stock. Metal sector, Tata Steel, it took a support at 1080 and now it is trying to move up. The moving averages are meeting here, so this is a good entry point for Tata Steel buy side. Hindalco again bullish. See the green candle volumes. So metal sector overall bullish. All the stocks are looking good. Jindal Steel is looking good. NMDC, Hindalco, all are looking good. So you can go here on the buy side, but be with proper position size. Now moving on to the next sector, which was auto. So we'll see the auto stocks quickly. So Mother Sumi looking good. Green candle volumes trying to move up. So it is looking good. Mahindra and Mahindra at the support, trying to move up. Higher highs are forming. Green candle volumes. Amar Raja Battery. So it is not looking so good. If we see some other stocks, Ashok Leyland is looking bullish. It can move up till 140, looks a good target. Stop loss can be 124. So we can see one more, Maruti. Maruti is not so bullish. So Mother Sumi, Mahindra and Mahindra, Ashok Leyland look bullish to me. Balakrishna is yet another good auto stock. You can see here at the support, trying to move up. Nice location to catch this good auto stock. So now moving on to the third sector, which is energy sector. We'll see the stocks in brief. So Adani Enterprises, Adani stocks, all the Adani stocks are doing well. See here at the high, consolidating at the top. See here the volume also increasing, trying to break out. It can break out in the next week. Have it on your watch list. Gas Authority of India Limited took support at 128, trying to move up. Hindustan Petroleum took support at 294, trying to move up. 320 can be the target, first target. Tata Chemicals slowly and steadily trying to move up. Tata Power not looking so good. Adani Ports, a big pin bar is formed on the downside, so be careful here. Adani Ports. So as I have discussed, now we'll just summarize what we have discussed here. The most bullish sector is metals, followed by auto, followed by energy. On the bearish side, pharma is there. So this is the sector analysis and stock analysis for this week. If you like this video, share it with your friends and share it with your friends who want to learn trading. And along with this, I will be coming up with a session tomorrow where I will teach you how to do price action trading. How to do price action trading. I will start with the basics of candlestick patterns, support resistance, various profitable price action patterns. Everything I will cover from the basics. So be there for the tomorrow's session. Link I will share in the Telegram channel. So search for the Telegram channel, join it right now, and see you in the session tomorrow. Wish you all profitable trading and see you tomorrow.